All right, physics peeps, time to graph things out. So you've been working with this little simulation, and then you filled out this data table where you change the angle and you measure the range. And just to let you know that this is bogus data. You have this data in your data table, don't do it. But what we need to do is we're going to create a graph from that data. And we're going to insert it on the slide and on the title slide. And here's how you do it. So you go to this data table and you're going to highlight just these two columns. Make sure you highlight angle and range and the data. Do not highlight the velocity. That part doesn't matter. But then you're going to right click or double tap, two finger tap, and click on copy. And now you're going to open up a new new tab. And we're going to go over here to the waffle. I hate that. But we're going to click on Sheets and a blank Google Sheet. And now when I'm up here in the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to paste that data in. So you can do another two finger tap and paste, or Control V, however you like. But now I have all that data in. I'm going to keep it highlighted though, so I'm not going to click anywhere else except for go to Insert. And I'm going to follow this down to Chart. When I do that, it should automatically make a chart or a graph of that data that we collected. It'll say range versus mass. Again, this is bogus data. So yours shouldn't look exactly like this. It shouldn't look exactly like this. Don't do it. But now that I have this highlighted, I want to make sure that I have it highlighted. You know it's highlighted because you have all the little boxes around it, all that stuff. I'm going to, again, do it to, oops. Well, let me, oh, nope, don't do two finger tap on this one. Instead, we're going to go to Edit and Copy. We're going to copy that chart. We're going to go back over here into this slide, and I am going to paste it. But when I paste this chart, it'll ask for it to link it or to paste it unlinked. Make sure you click Paste Unlinked. And we want to do that because otherwise, if we close that spreadsheet, then all our data is lost and then it will just show up with a blank graph. We just want the picture of the graph. And awesome, you guys. We paste it in here. Oops, sorry, my screen jumped there for a moment. So, paste it in here, unlinked. Yeah, we got it. But we're also going to paste it on our title screen, or our title one. Where that super awesome graph is supposed to go, that's this super awesome graph, you guys. And so remember, this is not exactly what your graph will look like. But yours is going to look a lot better. And make sure you ask your teacher if you have questions or if you have trouble with getting the graph there. But have fun graphing and have fun with the rest of the assignment. It's good stuff, you guys. It's so good.